Having problem teeth and a smile you're not proud of can be more than just a confidence issue. It can be easy to overlook how an unhealthy mouth can affect your overall health. Dr. Ryan Brittingham from Mill Creek Dental in Shawnee is here to give us some help for those that are suffering and to fight for your teeth. So why is now the time for people that are watching to be seeking out these solutions? I know that there's a common idea out there that the sooner someone seeks help, the easier the treatment options are, the more options you have, and potentially the easier it is to fix those things. Is that the case?
I think people forget that the mouth is an entryway to the general health of your body. And so I think that's what we're trying to get across. That's a message we're trying to share with our patients, that today is as important as ever to know that you're healthy.
What would you say in times like these where health is so important to people? What's keeping people from coming in to see you?
The psychology of it is fear-based for a lot of people. And so, we offer hope. That's the message we try to tell people, is that not I hope this works, but there is hope that we can really turn around most situations going on in their mouth. And the quicker they come in, generally it is easier, and there's easier solutions that are generally less expensive as well. But what we're finding is there's just more and more people that have really gotten to a point in their mouth where they have lost that hope, like, what do I do? I'm stuck. How do I fix this? And it's affecting their life in the way that they can't give out into the world what they really want to. And so that's what we're going to focus on today, is talking about those situations.
What's your favorite procedure to perform and why?
So I love the full arch restorations, which is what we see on the table here. And what that means is we're able to fix roughly a whole arch of teeth, with one prosthesis. And there's lots of different options today. That procedure where I go in and I can really give somebody their smile back. For me as the doctor, it's the most fulfilling thing, because it's the way that I can really improve their life. You fix their teeth and suddenly they're like, wow, I feel like myself again. I've never been able to get this promotion in my job. They just kind of open up. And so that's been the really fun part about what I do. And that's what fills me up and keeps me going.
How much does it cost to do the full arch?
Well, so again, it's really dependent on the patient, what they want to have done. All these are very good solutions for most patients. It's really, what are they trying to accomplish? The standard of care is still just a general full denture with no implants. So if you're going that route, that's obviously much less expensive than one of these where you're putting in multiple implants and connecting a bridge to it. The range is large. It can go from a few $1,000s up to well over $20,000, sometimes $30,000. It just depends the condition that the people come in, the number of challenges we have to overcome. Once we recognize what our challenges are, then we can establish a game plan, and we can, turn that around for them pretty rapidly.
Some other good news for them, you actually offer a complimentary consultation. So how does that process work?
Well, we do, and it's because it's so hard when patients call and just say, how much is it to do these different things? It's hard to tell them anything when you don't know anything about their situation. And so our complimentary process, we invite them to come in. We take a 3D cone beam that we have in our office that gives us a three-dimensional picture of their mouth, their bone, really their whole lower jaw area, and that lets us really evaluate what's going on. And then we offer the examination too. So if we would bill those things out, that's several $100s worth of billable items that we would do, but it's such an important part of the process, and we don't want the expense of that to be a reason why someone wouldn't come in to see us.
To schedule your complimentary consultation and evaluation at no charge that includes a 3D cone beam CT scan, go to millcreekdentalkc.com or call 913-322-6455.